Annyeonghaseyo, Rian.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I will gonna give your allowance for your 1 week allowance in 20 pesos each day, right? So you will gonna receive 100 pesos for 5 days. So this is for August 25 up to August 29. So you already got like 300 pesos from your 1,000. So please receive 1,000 and also sign. And that is from
Josung-jin, Timjang-nim, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Study well, okay? Fighting.
Fighting.
Princess, nakay klase sa study room wa? Ha, Princess? Nakay klase sa study room wa? Di ba? Naman tay klase? Nganong wala man tay klase o kuan? Bisan holiday klase man ta. Imo mga kauban nagkuan sa study room, nagklase, ikaw nakadiri computeran. Yeah, this is the third time nga absent ka. Twice naka-absent this month. Wa ka nagpahibaw na kung unsa imong rason nga nung absent ka atong kinaunhan. Ikaduha ni absent ka pag Friday. Wa kay rason ug ngano ni absent ka Friday. Yeah, this is the second time around na kuan. Nakatulo ka absent. Natanggal ka pag kinuunhan, di ba? Yeah, this is your last chance, right? Why are you wasting your last kuan chance? This will gonna pass to the kuan ha? To the GC. Annyeonghaseyo, Shane. Okay, so Shane is my level 1 student. And I'm planning to upgrade her to level 2. Okay, so level 2 should know how to read and should also understand what you're reading. Okay, so read down. Ano na basa?
The Little Mermaid. Under the sea, in a rocky place lied the sea, king and his sea, mermaid daughters. The older daughters swam to the top of the sea, but the Little Mermaid was too young to go. Her sisters told her tales of ships, dry land, and people with legs. The Little Mermaid wanted to swim to the top of the sea. At last, it was the Little Mermaid's birthday. She swam to the top of the sea. There she saw a ship full of people with legs. She saw a handsome prince and fell in love with him.
Okay. So far, Shane, unsa man imo nasabtan? What do you understand on what you have read?
Siya,
Pwede na.
isang siya sa sea.
Tanawa imong gibasa. Sige, Bisaya.
Isang siya sa sea niya kitaan niya iyang mga suon.
Okay.
Mga tao na ngadto siya sa sea. Naman siya nagkitaan nga barko na ay mga naa dito ang prince. Kanang nasuya siya kay naa sila'y legs.
Okay. So you were reading The Little Mermaid, and so far you already understand what you're reading. So I'm gonna move you to the level 2. So by tomorrow, August 26, you'll be moving in the level 2. Okay? So, what time gani mo school gani?
7:30 to 4.
7:30 to 4. Sige, kaya ang schedule sa level 2 is 5 to 6. Okay? So, tomorrow you will be on level 2. Okay? Thank you. Kamsahamnida. These are the remaining Dragon Abidul who already knows a bit of multiplication. So, we just filter them and just left those who already know a bit of multiplication. So I have here GE, this is Berto, this is Shira, and I have here volunteer journey. I have here Faith, Janine, Kaisel, and Sinin also volunteer to help the multiplication. So Dragon Abidul multiplication test.
Lesson target. Number 1. Introduce what is sex education in its different aspects. Explain puberty stages and different changes in their body upon experiencing puberty. Number 2. For them to know what are the importance of learning sex education and discovering new lessons such as gender, equality, stages of puberty, respiratory system of both genders. Number 3. Develop their knowledge.
What is sex education? Sex education is high-quality teaching and learning about a broad variety of topics related to sex and sexuality. It explores values and beliefs about those topics and helps people gain the skills that are needed to navigate the relationship itself, partners, and community, and manage one's own sexual health. Sex education may be also described. What is sex education? Sex education is high-quality teaching and learning about a broad variety of topics related to sex and sexuality. It explores values and beliefs about those topics and help people get the skills that are needed are the aims of sex education. To reduce the spread of potentially negative outcomes from sexual behavior. To young people's ability expressing of their sexuality by exchanging the equality of their relationship and their ability to make informed observe of the sexuality transformative disease. Is the time in life when a boy or girl becomes sexually matured. It is a process that usually happens between age 10 and 14 for girls and age 12 to 16 for boys. It causes physical changes and affects boys and girls differently. Most females will start puberty when they're 8 to 13 years old, and most males will
high player